This high-voltage power supply, built by Advanced Energy, is used for generating plasma in the semiconductor industry. Plasma is a highly excited RF frequency output and is used in several tools by the semiconductor fab. This particular model puts out 3,000 watts and runs at 1.7 to 2.2 megahertz. We rebuilt this unit, which was in desperate need for attention, and then tested all the lower functions. We did not have a plasma chamber to use as a load, so firing this unit open loop with no load would have been dangerous to ERD personnel. The video shows one of the very basic power supplies being measured along with the boot up screen of the system.